Hello everyone, this is Nexel with another turn of Operation Scarlet, Red Scarlet. As you can hear, it's been a while, but we are back and ready to go. We are going to start, as per usual, over on the tech board, rolling for heavy strategic bombers and improved factories. And we hit factories. And we miss bombers. We're also going to roll for diplomacy. We're going to see if we can bring Argentina up to stage 2. And we're also going to start our attempt to influence Greece diplomatically. And both of those are a miss. Now moving over to our purchases. We are going to be buying 2 militia upgrades, an attack transport, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 infantry and an airborne with the British. We're going to be buying a Gurkha and fast building a light carrier with FEC. And Anzac is going to be sending a militia to the KMT and a militia upgrade to the KMT and building a colonial. Let's have a militia upgrade from the US to place. So we are going to start off with our combat moves, which are over here. We are going to be bringing these 2 over to Ankentonken, these 7 down to Cyan. We're going to be bringing this plane 1, 2, 3, 4. That leaves it with 2 movement remaining because of the airbase and LRA. And that is our raiding, I believe, is also our combat move. So the Free French submarine is going to move up to this sea zone. And the English and Anzac submarines are going to move up to over here. So we will start with the raiding. Submarine gives it +2. And I don't think Japan has any completed text, but I will check for raiding rules. In just a second. They'll be here somewhere. Sorry about this. Japan has LRA, which is +1, and that's it. So they lose 1 IPP there. On this line. And then I have the 2 over here, with the blue remaining the French, and the orange remaining the Japanese. Oh, hold on, but the submarines are +2, so that's 3 damage. Because that's 2 damage. Maths. I can do maths, I promise. 8 versus 5 is 3. 8 versus, that's 3 again. And that's 2. For a total of 1, 2, 3, 8 IPP from the Japanese. Then in terms of our combat, we are going to start with the Gurkhas, which are fine in jungles. Yes, so the Gurkhas are hitting on 3s. And that's it. So it's 7 3s versus a 2. That's a hit, and that's a miss. Then we have 2 on 1 and 1 on 6 against 1 on 2. That's a hit from the plane. Militia returns on a 2. Militia misses. This force moves down to Burma. The fighter lands back in Burma. And FEC claim. I need to grab that roundel actually. Ankhon Tonkin and Siam. I'll sort these roundels later. For now, I'll finish up with the non-com. So non-combat, we have the rest of the 17th is moving into southern Iran, as are this infantry and this Gurkha, and this FEC infantry. Then in Africa, this motorized is walking up 2 to the 32nd. This colonial is railing up to the 32nd. This infantry is walking up to Nubia. These colonials and this airborne are walking up to Abyssinia. In the Med, these ships are going to push across to M2, as is the Royal Navy battlecruiser. And that, I believe, is it for the movement for the turn. So now we will move on to purchases. Great Britain is getting 2 militia upgrades, an airborne, and 4 infantry. So we have 2 militia upgrades, plus we have the militia upgrade provided by the Americans. And we have an attack transport going down in A4. We have an airborne going down in London. an infantry going down in northern England. We have 3 more infantry going down in London. For FEC, we have a Gurkha going down into Burma, and we have a light cruiser going down in port, unless it can't go down in port, in which case it will simply go down into I-11. For Anzac, we are sending a militia upgrade to the KMT, which there is 2 potential interdictions on A1. Both of which miss. Oh, sorry, we are also, as you can see from these arrows, Anzac was moving the attack transport to South Australia and an infantry down to South Australia. We are going to then Anzac has their militia upgrade for the KMT and the Colonial, which goes down in New Guinea. Now we have finished with purchases, so we will collect income. So FEC is at 14. Anzac is at 7. And Great Britain, having only spent 25 of their 26 income, is at 33. The French turn consists of, we're going to S&M, the Free French Transport up to Gibraltar. And that is all. We will save our money, and so we will gain 1. And with that, we will pass the turn off to the Italians.